Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add tabs in Salesforce Lightning. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding tabs in Salesforce Lightning can provide significant functional and organizational benefits. Before you can add any tabs here, you want to make sure that you are on the Lightning experience. So click that, so you should be able to switch to the Salesforce Lightning interface. Okay, I'm gonna click on it, and then now once you've switched back, I want you to hover to the tabs on the top corner. Click on the accounts and click all. Just select the account that you wanted to test or add new tabs to. All right, for example, I'm going to be using the global media. I'm going to click on it. And then from here, now if you want to add tabs in this specific report, all right, or account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon. Click on edit page. Just wait for it and you would be forwarded to another interface wherein for us to be able to add a new tab, hover your mouse to this details marketing service platform. You see, when you hover your mouse, it gives a different kind of active windows. When you click on this one, you see that you are forwarded to the page and tabs section. All right, and all I have to do is to click the add tab. All right, and of course you can put in the for example, details right here. All right, you can add more filter, you can add marketing, you can add a custom label right here. You can add service and a lot more. And if you wanted to add more tabs, you are welcome to do so by clicking add a tab here, because doing so gives you quick access to key objects such as accounts, opportunities, or custom objects, allowing users to navigate Salesforce more efficiently without needing to search for items manually. All right. Now, all you have to do is click on save. Once you've done that, you're finalized that. And remember that the idea of adding tabs to Lightning experience is that it gives you more intuitive and user-friendly interface tailored to specific businesses' processes. And of course, it improves productivity and ease of use for your teams. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.